You ask for another assignment sa Osamis, namatay ang mayor doon, si Paraheno. Ngayon gusto mo sa Iloilo, kasi si Mabilog has been identified as a protector, mayor. Mabuhi ka siya? Gusto ko nang tanungin kasi ako naman ang pagbibintangan. Ikaw nga nagbaril dyan, tapos ako ang napapublish kung saan-saan eh. Pero if you do the country a favor, I will support you. And we all, Tendal will all go to jail. Do not worry. Just follow the rules of engagement, the requirements of the performance of duty, which you have learned in your PNP for almost 4 years. Murder